welcome to your next session. Today we've got a real treat. Today we are going to roll like a ball. And I know that sounds crazy if you're new to Pilates, but it's gonna feel so good on your spine. It's actually gonna give you a little bit of abdominal work. It's gonna work on your balance, and it's gonna give you a really nice massage on your back. This is one of my favorite moves, and you're about to see why. So, what you're gonna do is after your single leg circles, you're going to scooch up a little bit to give yourself some room on the mat. It's always okay to move around and adjust your clothing. You don't have to be very militant and rigid in your transitions. Do what makes you comfortable. So, the first thing that's very important is that you are going to engage those muscles. You are going to tuck in a little bit, give yourself a nice C curve. It's not up like this because then you're just going to come down flat on your back and you can injure yourself. So you want to give yourself a nice curve so that when you come back, you have something that you can actually go off of. So, your toes are going to come in, your hands are just gently placed on top of your shins, and you're going to lift them up off the ground. If between each movement you need to tap your toes down and work towards being able to keep them up, excellent. That's what we're here for. Now you're going to see me do something that's kind of habitual that I don't seem to be able to get out of my body when I was practicing to do this video, is that I do like to come up straight and then go back into a C curve to give myself an extra abdominal workout. That is not something you need to do. Alright? So, as I roll back, I'm going to breathe in, and as I roll up, I'm going to breathe out, like so. Now be very careful. The one thing you want to avoid with this move is do not go back on your neck. Now, truth be told, if I go back a little bit on it, I get a nice massage, but I have been doing this move now for about 23 years, and so I have it really well grounded in my body. So for now, try not to do that. Just come right about here, and that's it. You want to stop yourself. Okay, so getting those toes off the ground, gathering some courage. If this is the first time you're doing it, you might feel a bit out of control. You're also going to notice I've got more than one mat down. For hardwood floors, it is really painful on my spine if I go down on one mat. I actually have 4 today just because I'm just feeling a little extra sore from some hiking. So I'm just protecting my body, and always do that. Always modify for your body. Always protect yourself. Don't be a hero. All right, so you guys are ready? Let's try it. Let's just try one, rolling back and rolling up. And see? Not that scary. So let's try doing 6 of those. You ready? And 1, watch that neck, come up, see if you can balance. 2, up, keep that abdominal engaged. 3, try not to kick your legs as you're going back. I know it's really hard to give yourself that momentum. I think this is 4 and 5 and 6. Okay, so this is coming after your single leg circles, and so all you're going to do is you're going to put your foot down. I engage my abdominals, I roll myself up, and I scooch forward. So that's all you're gonna do for your transition. Very easy, guys. So let's try the whole series. We're gonna go from the 100 to the roll up, to the single leg circle, to rolling like a ball. Ready? All right, breathing in, rolling down, feet up, and get ready for the 100. And begin. Coming down, preparing for the modified roll-up. Single leg circles, right leg up, in towards the body first 5 times. Away for 5. And switch legs. In. Away. Leg down. Go ahead and engage your abdominals to roll up. Scooch forward on your mat. Prepare 6 times, rolling like a ball. Begin. Congratulations on completing this session. Go ahead and repeat these every single day until you have the confidence to move on to the next session, and I can't wait to see you there.